In the beginning, no breath, no flame. No form, no face, no thought, no name. A whisper stirred the silent sea. A pulse of will, let there be. No sky above, no ground below. Just stillness deep, no time to flow. But in that still, unmeasured tide, the seed of being woke inside. Shiva is pure consciousness, the eternal witness. Shakti is pure energy, the force that moves the universe. When they unite, duality dissolves and divinity awakens. Their embrace is the origin of everything. Ardhanarishwara, half Shiva, half Shakti. A perfect balance of masculine and feminine. Yin and yang, stillness and storm, void and fullness. Matsya rose, the fish, the first. Through waters deep where life was nursed. The ocean's womb, where cells first spun. Where life and light had just begun. Then Korma, turtle, firm and wide. The backbone of the earth, its guide. Like crust on lava, strong and slow. Foundations formed for life to grow. Next came Varha, or divine. From muddy depths did land align. Land rose up from primal foam. To give the crawling life a home. Narasimha, beast and man. Stood between, the primal span. He marks the rise of beast to mind. Instinct fierce, yet just as kind. Then Vamana, the dwarf so bright. With clever mind and measured might. From brute to thought, from brawn to brain. He took the leap, from wild to sane. With Parshurama, fire and axe. Man mastered tools and shaped the tracks. The forest fell, the fields were tamed. Civilization thus was named. Then Rama, ruler just and fair. The moral code was planted there. He taught the path of Dharma's way. Where ego falls and heart must stay. Krishna danced in cosmic play. The soul's deep song, the karmic sway. He taught the art of joy and strife. The battlefield that is this life. Buddha came, with silent eyes. To still the self and cut the ties. Conscious thought turned deep within. To see where truth and peace begin. And Kalki, final flame to rise. Shall burn illusion, cleanse the skies. A blaze to rouse the cosmic play. Where shadows flee and truth holds sway. This is reality, evolution's sacred core. Where science meets the sacred stream. From formless void, where quantum roots aligned. Blueprints unseen, in cosmic fabric twined. Life bloomed below, a fractal, flowing stream. Reflecting laws that shape the primal dream. Shivoham. Shivoham. Shivoham.